Soccer DBB number 226. That's one box of Euro Prizm Soccer. Every spot is two random teams, guys. Good luck. Here we go on the team random. Dice roll, snake eyes is reroll. We are going 6 times on the teams. Here we go. Good luck. 1. Hello. 2. 3. 4. Oh, come on. 5. And last and final time. Oh, it's slow today. 6. We have Iceland on top, Turkey at the bottom. Here are your teams, guys. Wow, why is my computer so slow now? Here are your teams. Good luck, everybody. Let's see. So, who has Germany? Germany is Sergio. England stats. Italy, Berlin cards. So, Portugal is stats. Good luck, guys. On to the break. One box of Prizm. Got some teams left for next weekend, guys. Friday's breaks at the show in the hotel room live break. There are lots of cases for next week, Friday and Saturday. So if you want to join, let me know. We've got some decent teams left in Euro Prizm. Portugal still there, and Italy. It's the big teams left in Euro Prizm for a case break next week, Friday, late night break. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Euro Prizm. We got red, Ronaldo. Nice start. For Portugal and stats. And that is numbered 64/149. We got multi, Krychowiak, Poland. We got Siktorsson, Iceland. We got Prizm Piszczek for Poland. We got Kokorin Prizm for Russia. We got, well, what's that? Look at that. The card has been cut off. It was still on the card. Funny. Stars of Midfield, Slovakia. We got triple for Portugal. Got team photo, Germany. Prizm Shishires for Romania. Blue is Drimich 249 for Switzerland. We got scoring leaders, Wayne Rooney. Dual for Italy. Alright, this should have the box hit. Flash, Kevin De Bruyne for Belgium. We got the Stars of Midfield, Iceland, Sigurdsson. Prizm, Joe Letley for Wales. Prizm Fabianski for Poland. Germany championship history. Got dual for Iceland. We got keepers Akinfev for Russia. Prizm is Vladimir Weiss for Stop in Slovakia. Italy team. Oh, we got a gold, guys. Gold coming. Italy team logo. And that is a gold. Could be an insert, maybe. Nice. Prizm Wayne Rooney for Thinkers England. Blue is Koscielny for France, 249. Alright, we got a gold hit. Let's see who it is. Good luck, guys. Is it an insert? Oh, it is Switzerland. It is Xherdan Shaqiri. Scoring leaders gold to 10 for Sergio and Switzerland. Congrats, Sergio. Shaqiri, 1 out of 10 for Switzerland. That was the box hit. Alright, that's it for the break. Thanks again for joining. Hope to see you next time. Peace.